Alright, so here is the best HeyGen AI tutorial for beginners. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So we'll just head over directly to HeyGen, and here as you can see, we've already logged in and we're using a free version of it. So you can do a lot of stuff with it. First one being you can tell the AI to generate something for you, and anything, just give it some details to it and it would do it. But then you got shortcuts, then you have shortcuts for it. First one being photo to video, and then quick avatar video, then translate video, product placement, UGC and video, interactive avatar. So you got a lot of options, shortcuts which you could use. Shortcuts are very easy to use. You just gotta choose a shortcut like this
Avatar 4.
and just gotta press on it. So let me just quickly skip, and here as you can see, what you can do is just upload a video or a picture, just like upload a photo, and then give it a script, whatever you want to do with that picture. And after that, you gotta add a custom motion, whatever you'd like to, and then the quality, if you want to use 1080p, you can just get the premium. And then after that, you can just simply generate. You gotta fill in the photo, whatever photo you want to use, and then put in the script, whatever type of script you got, or you can even use sample script. They will suggest it according to your picture, and then generate the video. Now right over here, what you can do is just simply type in something like this, and then you just gotta press generate, and it's just gonna generate your video for you, and it's thinking and thinking and thinking. So it might take a while depending on your internet speed and depending on what kind of detail you put into it. And here as you can see, it's checking all the parameters and everything. But as I said, it's gonna check out your internet and everything. And here as you can see, it's just gonna find me a video which we can use it for, and here as you can see, it founded the video. Okay, it's the audience, and then music theme, it gave it everything. It's approximately 15 seconds, and then the video orientation is going to be portrait, and then the script plan, and then the target language, and then the avatar and everything. So if you type in yes right over here, just gotta type in yes, and it will start generating the whole video for you. And it's basically like that, and it did the whole work for you. You just gave it an idea like this. Okay, and here as you can see, it's working now. So yeah, and then again, it's just going to depend on your internet speed and depending on what kind of detail you give to it. So yeah, after that, you can just check the video for yourself and make a more different kind of videos. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tool actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.